you need David for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds.
Huh?
Now, whenever you get a second, cause la prensa Rich, his is about to be out.
I got you. 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
Ready, go.
Ah, you got it stuck. Fuck.
You got it. Go. You're good.
Hit the sides, hit the sides. Where's the crowbar at?
You still...
You need the crowbar, Rich.
Yeah.
Give it back to David. You got the crowbar? Nah, you know, it's right here, bro. Look, it's right here, Rich.
Where?
If we hit it right there. Let me see. Or can you get it?
I might.
Y'all please subscribe to the channel. I should do it. Just pry the motherfucker off. We out.
You need this off?
Nah, you gotta pry it.
Huh?
Get the pry bar behind it. Yeah. It's out.